What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to remove or prevent pop-ups on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, tap on the app in which you want to remove pop-ups. So just simply tap on the app and then click on notifications, and here you will see a pop-ups option in notification types section. So from here just simply deselect pop-ups to remove the pop-ups from this app. So when it shows a gray border around the pop-up option, it means the pop-ups are disabled. So that's how you can remove or prevent pop-ups on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.